Stefan Chen from Mikro Mesa, and his talk will be Challenges and Myths of Mobile Micro LED Displays. So, Stefan, please take it away.
Okay, good afternoon. I'm Stefan Chen from Mikro Mesa, and this is the topic of my presentation, Challenges and the Myths of Mobile Micro LED Display. So first of all, why I call it a myth? Because we are always saying that the Micro LED is the next generation technology for displays. But for many years, we don't see a lot of Micro LED products booming in the market. So here comes the question, is that really practical for mass production? I think there's two challenges here. There's two challenges, the cost and the power. Many speakers mentioned about the cost, and the cost is really a challenge, really the critical problem. But I find few people talk about the power. So for today's presentation, I would like to talk the power more. But back to the cost first. So in terms of the cost usually includes the material cost and the manufacturing cost. So the yield is one of the factors that affecting the manufacturing cost. The low production yield results in higher manufacturing cost. So that's why we are working hard and trying to improve the yield and to reduce the manufacturing cost, especially for the backplane, TFT backplane process and the mass transfer process. On the other hand, the Micro LED itself, I think it is intuitive that the smaller size Micro LED brings lower material cost for sure. And power-wise, the power loss happened in many different ways, like the TFT backplane, the driving circuit, which is very critical here, and the IR drop, etc. So again, a small size Micro LED has lower power consumption, and this is the key point of my presentation. And I will show you how important it is for a small size Micro LED from the perspective of power. Okay, speaking of small size, here we are talking about the lateral size below 5 micrometer. Smaller size Micro LED has the advantage of higher current density and widely applied from watch to TV. As for the AR/VR is another story. Here we are just focusing on the TFT backplane base. So from watch to TV, I think this is widely applied at this application. So as far as the design is concerned, for a smartphone, 460 ppi, the pixel size is around 20 micrometer. So the large size Micro LED, such as 15 micrometer, 20 micrometer, I call it a large size because here we are saying below 5 micrometer. So this kind of large size Micro LED, it might be okay for the design, although the design rule will be a little bit tight. But the power for the 15, 20 micrometer, the power could be a problem. So as for the power consumption mainly comes from the Micro LED, the TFT, and the IR drop. And again, the IR drop here was not. I will not talk about the IR drop in my topic. I'm just focusing on the Micro LED and TFT, especially for the TFT. So in terms of the Micro LED, the sense